Preparation of glycol by using osmium tetroxide. Here the same, here these reactions will be same as the magnesium potassium permanganate. So let us see this. Well, alkene react with osmium. On hydrolysis we will get glycol. Let us see the mechanism. So here what happens when alkene react with osmium. This is the structure for osmium. Same thing here. See closely. The bond between carbon and carbon pi bond breaks down and carbon oxygen bond formation takes place. Similarly, it goes to here and here it goes to the then the oxygen carbon bond formation takes place. So here we can write it as CH2 bond CH2 bond O osmium double bond O. Okay, then here what happened? Water is added, which means hydrolysis takes place and the bond breaks down. It becomes CH2 bond CH2 bond O negative bond O osmium double bond O bond O H and H. O becomes positive here, so one hydrogen will give this atom and this will attach to here. So what we will get, that is CH2 bond CH2 bond OH bond O bond OH double bond O bond OH. Okay, this reaction takes place. I will write it here again. CH2 bond CH2 bond OH bond O bond osmium double bond O bond OH. Here again water will react, attack here, and this bond will break and comes to the oxygen. So what it become is CH2 bond CH2 with alcohol here bond O negative. So here the bond breaks out completely, so it becomes plus osmium double bond O bond OH, and here water bond H. Here it becomes positive, so one H will give its electron to oxygen and it will become H plus. This will become H plus, so it will gives one electron to the, then the hydrogen will attach to the carbon oxygen. So here we will get it, that is CH2 bond CH2 and okay, I will write here OH bond OH plus osmium double bond O bond OH bond OH. Here we get cis diol, and this is the mechanism for the preparation of glycol from osmium tetroxide.